Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stake your Ethereum. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. First, you have to open the Trust Wallet application in your smartphone. After that, you have to find the Earn option in the bottom and click on it. After that, you have to click on Native Staking option, and then you have to find the Ethereum, and then click on it, and then click on Stake, and then enter the amount you want to stake. And after entering the amount, click on the Continue option, and done now. You learned that how to stake your Ethereum, so this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to stake your Ethereum. There's no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe. Drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.